Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you're having a great day. If not, I hope it gets better. If not, maybe tomorrow the sun will come out. Not singing any Broadway tunes today. But I am going to do a look with the Weirdo palette from Jeffree store that I got in my mystery box. And it is beautiful. Look at that. I can't wait to make a look with this. And I've got my special dark lip gloss. And I've got my Weirdo lipstick ready. So we're going to do a gothy look. And I'm wearing my Cure t-shirt. So all is right in the world. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot magic swatches. Bam! Look at those swatches. They look great. It's swatched really well. And we're going to clean that up because if I don't, I'll forget. And then I'll be having a colorful arm all day long. All day. Like an all-day sucker. Alright, speaking of suckers, I obviously have to start this look with this mauve color, which is called Mohawk. Alright. I have not ever had a mohawk, but I was supposed to have a mohawk, and I chickened out. It was the 80s. And I gave a mohawk to my best friend right before her graduation of high school with a Bic razor. And let me tell you, that is not how you should shave a head. We cut it real short with scissors. Then we got a Bic razor. What I mean is I got a Bic razor. It may not even have been Bic. It may have just been some awful generic brand because we were at our friend's house and they did not have a lot of money, so they may not could afford the Bic razor. So maybe it was Joe's razors. I just spit a little while I was talking. That's so crazy, but that's beautiful. Just blending it out and up. It's really pretty. It's so pretty. Maybe I won't go gothy, but how can I not? How can I not go a little gothy with this? And look at the little razor blade details. It's the coolest. All right. I'm going to go into 1985, the soft gray. I'm trying to figure out what kind of brush to use. I use a fluffy brush. Ooh, it's got a little blue base to it. That looks cool. Fluffy brush was the right choice, baby. This is such a soft, pretty look so far. Oh, my real estate is different on each eye, so I do my best to make them even. But it doesn't always work. Let's do a little bit more of Mohawk up here. I'll do more on the other side also. That's so pretty. I'm dropping stuff. It's a lot deeper on this side than it is on this side. Let's deepen it up a little. That's a little better. All right, it's matching up pretty good, ladies and germs. I'm going to go into the silver, which is Razor Blade. very awesome. Very nice. It's a great silver. Oh, that is electric. It's very great. I'm loving it. Now we need to go deep. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to know. A little Bee Gees interlude for you. So I went in with this gray. And we've got a darker gray, but I'm going to go, we got Weirdo black and then Freak Show black. I'm going to swatch them and see how they look different. One's more red, like this is a little more red. That's like more of a true black. This was Weirdo. This is Freak Show. So I think I'm going to go in with Freak Show. Freak Show. Only Child looks good too. Maybe a little, like a little tiny bit of Only Child and then some Freak Show. I think that's what I'm going to do. Or Scene Queen is this red. I think I'm going to go into the Only Child. But that looks good on its own. Let's get a blending brush out. That looks really pretty. Now we're going to go into Freak Show. That looks really good. I'm gonna blend it out some more. Liking this look. I really am. I think I'm gonna do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Voila! That looks so good with the liner and mascara. Oh man, I'm so excited about this look. I knew I could pull something pretty out of this palette. Weirdo is so good. So much better than Star Ranch. Just saying. I know apples and oranges, but you know, Weirdo is a much better, more fun palette for sure. I wonder what the gloss looks like just by itself. Let's put a little on my hand. Oh, it's just a silver. It turns out silver. That's cool. So let's put on the Weirdo lippy. And some gloss, and then call it a look. I'm so excited. I think it looks fantastic. I love this look. And I have to let the lips dry before I can put on the silver gloss, and I will be right back. And voila! We have the lip gloss. This is called 6 Feet Under lip gloss on top of the Weirdo palette. I'm saying this is a hit. This palette is fantastic. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.